Comparative and superlative is not that hard at all. It's actually pretty similar to English. If you take a look here, these are some infinitives, adjectives: frisch, klein, groß and teuer, fresh, small, big and expensive. And to build the comparative, that means you compare something is bigger or smaller, and like in English you just add an ER, bigger, fresher, smaller, bigger, more expensive. We don't have this more version. We would never say mehr teuer. Please keep that in mind. So it's an ER at the end. That's the main rule. And as you can see, even in the irregular forms, we stick to that rule. I talk about the details in a minute. The superlative is simply adding an which is an dem, it's the dative, and sten at the end. So now let's take a look at the specialties. Specialties, you can see here. Groß, normally an O, turns into Größe. It's an umlaut. That happens every once in a while, unfortunately, not regularly. Teuer, teurer would sound a bit too much for German ears, so we say teurer. You eliminate the E here. This happens every once in a while, not too often. Just keep it in mind. One thing here, frischesten is known to you from words like arbeiten, arbeitet. So whenever you have trouble saying a word or pronouncing a word, it might have to enter an E here. Every once in a while you can do that. Größten, you see there's an S missing, and that's because groß already contains an SZ. So we don't need an additional one. This is mainly it for the regular forms. If you take a look at these here, you see that these two usually don't have much in common. Good means good, a lot, with pleasure, high and near. And there's one thing that's remarkable, that's hoch turns into höher. The C is gone. The umlaut you know from above. And also these forms often at times don't resemble any of these or their original forms. But here, nächsten, we add a C to make it sound nice. You might know the expression der Nächste bitte from a post office or from your doctor. So this is mainly it. Let's take a look at how to make use of this.